Stackers 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing some more cleaning of coins. Now this video definitely isn't for the faint-hearted. I'm going to title this video How Not to Clean Your Silver Coins. How extremely effective. Now on the back here it does say do not leave coins in this solution longer than 5 minutes. So that is today's video done. Friday the 20th of March 2026. That is today's date, and that means it has been a whole year since I filmed that video you just watched, and that means it's been a whole year since those 4 silver coins have been submerged in silver cleaning dip, and I'm very excited to see the results. Right, so here we are. I'm in my shed, my very unorganized shed. Okay, right, I think it's that eBay box over here. Oh no, look, looks like mice have been at the box. That's not good, is it? That is not good at all. Wow, look, that box has been absolutely destroyed. Oh wow. Mice, snails, you name it. Have they gone through all the way into the box? Oh, I don't know. Look, the box is leaking. Oh no, this isn't good. I now have some gloves on, and I'm going to move all this to one side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these coins from the containers, because I don't think the container's been opened. Oh, it is leaking though, the liquid is leaking in the container. And then we're going to find somewhere better to film and have a look at what they look like. Right, now here are the 4 containers. So let's get these first of all on here, like this. Let's have a look at them one by one. Wow, look at that. The solution has gone, it's almost gone into a solid. Oh, look at that. You can literally pick the solution up. What a weird texture. I'm guessing that's all the layers of silver that has been taken off the coin. Wow. I did not expect them to be like this. Look at that. It's just stripped layers and layers of silver off by the looks of it. It's almost turned into, I don't know, it's like if you soak toilet roll, that sort of texture. Okay, let's get this first one out. I can't even tell what coin this is. Is it a maple? It's fascinating. It's a shame I can't keep all this silver dip because these containers are leaking. So it's not like I can try and send them off anywhere in the future to get the silver content back, because the solution's going all over my hands and everywhere. So alright, let's have a look at this though. Let's get a bit of tissue from here. Wow, It's just stripped the relief from the coin. Look at this bit here. Wow, look, it's just peeling off chunks. What is that? That's just, I'm guessing that's just chunks of silver that is coming off the coin. Look at that, it's just taken off all the relief. The shine is completely gone. And it just looks really chalky. That is crazy. Right, I think what we'll do is we'll get them all out of the containers. Then I'll take them in the house and give them a good clean with plain, fresh water to get all the solution off. And we can have a proper look at them after. So that's the maple. Right, okay, so this is the American Silver Eagle. Very, very different texture in this one. This one is just still liquid. No lumps in this. And although all the shine has been stripped from this coin, you can still clearly see what this one is. It's got a sort of slimy texture on the surface. But that is the American Silver Eagle. It's gone really dull looking. Although these do have a matte finish anyway, so these never really start off really shiny. But it's interesting the different way that the coins have made the solution go. Maple, American Silver Eagle. Let's continue. Oh, my hands are getting wet now as well. Right, okay, so we've got the same as we had with the maple on this one, and it's gone really, yeah, that's the way to describe it. Imagine soaking a toilet roll in water and it goes all sort of soggy. That's exactly what's happened here. Wow, look, this is all stuck to it though. This looks like it's the Libertad. Look at that. Wow, it's so chalky. I thought these might go extremely shiny. I thought they would lose all of their relief, but I thought they would go really, really shiny. But it's the opposite. They've gone really dull, really chalky looking. So that's the Libertad. And like I said, that had the same texture as the maple. Now this, I think this is a Britannia. Yeah, this is a Britannia. Again, we've got the same texture as the water from the American Silver Eagle. Not lumpy, just a little bit chalky looking. Look at that. Really dull. Again, it's got this kind of slimy feel to the surface. Just completely lost the shine, hasn't it? I wonder if that security feature still works. Right, so what I think the next stage will be is I'm going to take these in the house. I'm going to clean them all down, and then we'll have another look at how they actually look once I've got all of this gunky solution off the surface of them. But I'm going to throw these away. I don't think there's any worth trying to keep hold of these because the containers are leaking. And yeah, it's a shame because that is probably God knows how much silver in each one of these, but yeah, really interesting. Look at that. I'm guessing that's just layers of silver that has been stripped from the coin. And the same with this one as well. And you can literally pick it up. Crazy. Right, okay, so I'm going to tidy everything up here, and then we'll resume filming once I've cleaned up the coins, and we'll have a proper look at them. Right, okay, so let's have a look how these look in my proper studio lighting. Look how dull and plain they look. Wow, that is actually crazy. Let's have a closer look. Right, here we go. So this is the Britannia. You can see very, very dull looking. It's like a brown clay colour. Zero shine. The Trident, does that still work? The security feature, I don't think it does. It doesn't look like that security feature works anymore. You can really see the detail this side though. It looks almost antiqued on this side. But overall, really, really plain and dull looking. Next we've got the Libertad. Same again. I think it has lost some relief. This side, it just feels really different as well. With silver normally it feels cold to the touch, whereas this just feels, I don't know, just room temperature I suppose. Just feels, yeah, it doesn't have that silver feel. It almost feels like it's plated with something. Next we have the maple. Look at this. Definitely lost some relief on here. This side's really interesting. This is the bit that in the video that I filmed outside, you could see it actually peeling off. It was almost like a layer of silver that actually peeled off. You can see it's a real jump up. When you run your hand across it, it's like this whole section here. It'd be really interesting to weigh these actually and see how much silver has been lost. And then last of all we have the American Silver Eagle. Just look at the state of it. They look like treasure. I really like this side though on this one. Looks really antiqued and it really pops. But yeah, what an interesting experiment. And now you can see why on the back of the container it says do not leave coins in the silver dip for longer than 5 minutes. Because that's all it needs. It literally, like it says on the tin, needs a dip. Not to be sitting in a solution, because that really, really can damage your coins. But what a cool experiment that's been. That's been a whole year, that video in the making. Thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have a very nice day.